Hello. This is a quick unboxing of the Spectrum Noir marker storage system. Comes in a simple box. Open it up, and there they are. That's all that's in the box. Supposedly these can kind of snap together. So yes, if you get them aligned, hold together relatively well. They also can interlock side to side, supposedly. Kind of like that. Make a long one. My intent was to stack it for Copic markers. Let's see. Appear to snap together relatively easily. Okay, now let's see. These cheap Copic markers will fit in. I might end up putting something below it, just to angle it slightly. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps. Bye.